Okay, so good evening guys and welcome again to this new episode. In this episode we'll exploit the Bitcoin's supports in for our interests, and also we will check Yearn Finance supports and resistances. So guys, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and also join the community, and I wish you hit the like button. Also, let me know in the comment section if you have any inquiries or any questions. If you have any private questions that you don't want the public to see, please contact me via Twitter in the description below. I will be so happy to assist you if you have any problems, of course, about trading. So Bitcoin, what do you see here in Bitcoin? Unfortunately, we didn't talk yesterday about Bitcoin. We had a support. We set it already during the night, and based on that we do take our positions. So this is our first support, and this is our second support, and this is our third support here for the probability inside our, not inside but in the 24 hours or the next 24 hours. So for example here guys, we have a probability. Okay, we don't know where the market is going, but based on the algorithmic levels we can have many probabilities, and we take and we explode actually the powerful one. So we have this first support and the second and the third, and you can see here guys that's the support here plays a good or had a good reputation, so that people are about to buy and they will continue to buy from that support and maybe more. Okay, so there is a huge speculation here. So many people actually or they don't distinguish their opinions whether to buy or to sell. You should understand one thing: if you are in uptrend, always look for long positions. Okay, if you are in the downtrend, always look for the short positions. And I mean by that, if you have to take a position, you should wait another high so you can short with a good price. The same for the lows, and you can achieve when you see a market in huge lows, though, you can explode it and you can have into that into your interest. So for example here you can see guys that we had a good opportunity, almost 1.62% for daily trading. I recommend using the leverage, but please be careful, do not use big leverages, okay, because you will burn your account in a few seconds. So now this is the 24-hour candle, and we didn't close yet, but we have to check the intraday the intraday candles on the intraday chart in order to get our recommendations. So what can we say now? Are we in bullish trend or are we in bearish one? Actually guys, we can see here there is some little danger. Okay, there is a little danger, and I wish Bitcoin actually can surpass that, and I am pretty sure that the Bitcoin will surpass that, but we will respect risk management. Okay, what do you mean? Okay, I am answering now. This is our first high and this is our second high. Guys, when you see this, you have to be sure that there is some risk. There is some risk. So that's why I'm not telling you, okay, leave your Bitcoins, because this happens on the 4-hour chart, but please respect this movements. Okay, these movements represent something inside the chart, represent a chart reputation, represents something that people want to say by simply this kind of moments. So this is the first signal, this is the second. This is some kind of risky let's say patterns that we have to take in consideration. So guys, here what can we say? For me, we have to set these levels here at this middle level, okay, for the Bollinger Band, and if we break higher than that, so that probably we can have another opportunity to continue to the to resume the uptrend. Okay, so this is the first signal here, and you can see the 0.61. Remember what we say already about the 0.61. It is a dangerous and it represents a corrective point. So here guys, if you see any lower, okay, any lower highs, please get out. Okay, get out. I'm not saying okay we are about to drop, but please respect these movements. Okay, and you can buy again lower than this price, but I am not willing to buy if the market actually close lower than 14,000. Okay, and I mean 14,000 here. This is 14,500. Please here. Okay, we can be some kind I think suspicious if we break lower than this level here for the middle term. For the long term, guys, this is our structure points. Okay, for the long term, we still higher than that. If we are safe higher than this level. If we break higher than $10,000, not even the 10,400, $10,000, then maybe something is risky. But guys, you will tell me a big question and important question. So should we now wait till the market achieve this point and then we can break lower and we say, okay, we are done, so I'm buying here? I'm not going to risk 50% in order to say, okay, I am done. Okay, I need something to tell me to get out before the let's say the community actually leaves the market. So I am suggesting for you guys this strategy, okay, which is using the moving average with these parameters or the settings. Okay, use the 50 at the highs if you want, sorry, the lows if you are in uptrend. So guys, here when you see a breakout slower than that, you should, I'm not telling you, okay, have fear or get afraid. No, when you see a closure lower than this moving average, simply please be careful. If the market goes higher than the moving average, again, thank you very much, I am taking another long position. If not, then thank you very much, I am willing to buy, but at a lower prices. Okay, at the lower prices. So there is two probabilities. Okay, two probabilities, higher than this level, or okay, I am going to buy the lows. Okay, it's very simple. So you can see here, guys, that the market respects here and here and here and here, okay, and also here. I mean, the market respects the trend. So the moving average, okay, represents what? Represents what we called in English, it's trending indicators. Okay, or indicators that shows you where the market actually is going. So when you see the market is going higher than the moving average, so there is a probability to continue to creating another higher high and another higher lows, which means an uptrend. If the market closes below that, so you can be sure you can short, and you can also be careful that the market can have an opportunity to go low. Okay. So do not only rely on moving averages, guys, and do not rely on indicators. This is just for filtration, okay? We only filter the prices and filter our opinions. So we should rely on all the things inside the chart. Reversal candles, are we in uptrend or downtrend? Is there any suspicious activity in the candles? Like, for example, the doji candles. Are we now below the 0.61? Are we now safe in? I mean, by that trading higher than, for example, or lower. Sorry, the 30 in stochastic, for example, or RSI. Okay, we take in consideration as long as we have a lot of indicators that, for example, says, okay, we are in uptrend, then we are in uptrend. But you cannot actually take your decision based on one indicator. If you do that, then you are risking your money. So guys, I think everything now is clear. I'm not going to use moving average 50 because actually I am using my 100 strategy. Okay, of course, it's different. So here, guys, you can see that the market actually we can say some kind of consolidation parts here, and when we close higher than the moving average, we retest, actually we rebound higher than the moving average, and I think we can have a danger here at this level. So higher than this level we are okay. If not, please take in consideration to respect money management and respect risk management. Okay, I'm not telling you that to be afraid, but please just to be careful, because this is professional algorithmic level trading. Okay, and we do that professionally. I'm not a simple technical analyst that want to say, okay, today and tomorrow we change our minds. No, we have rules we have to respect. Okay, we have rules to respect. So higher than this level we are okay, and lower than this level, please be careful to your trades. And I wish we can cancel this level. So okay, for Bitcoin, what about Yearn Finance? About Yearn Finance, guys, what can we say? Okay, I think we have a consolidation pattern, we have some kind of volatility and pump and dump, and so probably we will take another decisions based on the Yearn Finance. So let's go to the daily chart. You can see, guys, here yesterday we had this level here, okay, so the market stops at this resistance, and we have you will tell me why exactly you see this with this line, okay? So this is actually an important question. It's very simple, guys. When you see a resistance, for example, like that, you can set a line, okay? You can set a line. So what can we do, for example, if the market close here? So should we check this resistance, or I mean, should our positions will be based on that, or this level, or this level. In my opinion, you can call that a resistance level, okay, and you can use rectangles like that, and you can change the color to the low, sorry, to the red, and then you can be careful watching that this is a resistance level. So from I think $18,000 all the way to $19,000 represents what? Represents a resistance level. So higher than this level here, this zone, sorry, we can say okay, but lower than that, please adjust your risk management. So now we can see, guys, that we have a small corrective wave here. So this is our structure point, and this is our second structure point. So in my opinion, we are in a do nothing phase. If you want to buy, you can wait, okay, or you can buy here and you can buy again here, but you should be careful. If the markets close lower than 15,000, then it's up to you. You want to close, you want to buy again. I'm not going to say anything, because based on that, I'm not going to say any financial advice or advices. But I can give you financial advices when it's something actually deserves. And I mean by that, when we can see some huge support, when we can see, for example, respects into the moving averages, respects to everything. If you want a simple advice for Yearn Finance, please just wait when we break higher in this level. Okay? When we break higher in this level. I want to rush and I want to take positions, okay? I'm not going to take anything. Can you give me an opportunity? Can you find me a solution? I want to buy now. Okay, we can say okay, but we are going to trade based on the harmonic patterns, okay? And allow me first to check where is this tool here we use for harmonic. I forget actually. I think here. Okay, this is it. XAB CD. So this is the point X, and this is the point A. So here we are almost reaching, okay, the 0.78, which is represents 0.78, guys. Remember that. You can draw that into your notebook. 0.61 and 0.78 is the last chance for the impulsive wave to drop. And I mean, if the market continues, then we cannot call it a corrective wave. It is impulsive and go ahead. Okay, so if we break higher than the 0.78, you can target your 1.61. It's here. Okay, here, 1.61. Okay, but if you see any capitulation here, then this is a corrective wave, and you should be careful that this is point B. So this is point C. Can we say, can we have another impulsive wave here? I think if we call that the point C, okay, if this is a point C, then we can have a point D here at the 1.61. The 1.61. So based on the harmonic pattern name, there is a butterfly, and there is Gartley, also there is bat, and there is I forgot, there is many names. So if you want to take the point C here, guys, you can take, but be careful, because you have to set your stops lower than the point A. Okay, and this is the point D, and you can have a target here. Let me just check again. Okay, so it's 0.61, and this is 2.61. Okay, so here, so guys, for the point D, if this is a butterfly, I think we can have the point D here at 2.61. If this is not, I think it's Gartley, so we can have the point D here. And by the way, when the market achieves at the point D, we can see a huge drops. Yes, it's a huge drops or a huge dump, because a lot of people were they are taking points here, they are willing to sell and to check their profits based on the pointing. So guys, do your research, search for the harmonic patterns, and you can check anything based on the harmonic pattern, so you can follow your points. So is that pattern actually works 100%? Of course not. If we cancel the point C here, then probably we can say that the market will visit this level here, okay, and this level here. Okay, so copy paste these levels here, guys, in your chart, and wait the market to have another impulsive wave, so you can benefit and you can make a lot of money if you trade harmonic. So how much is the percentages if we succeed actually to make this pattern work? It's 44%. Okay, almost 50%. It's good. It's good. If it works, actually, you will make a lot of money. Okay, so I think this is it, guys, for Yearn Finance. Thank you very much for listening to this session. There is a link below of the donation if you want to donate. Some people actually ask me, we want to support you. For me, guys, if you will just subscribe and say thank you, it's actually it's more than okay. Okay, I'm really happy if you do that. If you want to donate to support me, so thank you. There is my address below. So thank you very much if you are going to donate, or if you are going to say just to say thank you in comments, or just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. This is actually I appreciate. Sweet word, actually, it's more than money for me. Okay, it's worth more than money. So guys, thank you very much. Have a good day.